It is now December 1st, 2023 at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that means that the first new color film, 35mm ISO 200 color film is now available to the public. That's right, you can go to filmphotographystore.com. This film, made by Harman. Harman is a UK company. They are the makers of Kentmere black and white film, and this is the very first color film invented in a modern film factory in a very, very, very long time. This is a brand new color film made on site at the Harman factory in Moberly, UK. Well, it's a 200 ISO film, an experimental C41 color film, and because of this, its characteristics are very different than the more traditional established C41 films. This film does not have masking dyes and limited anti-halation layer incorporated into the film, which means that it will give you halation effects around bright light sources. In addition to atypical color rendering, the film has a very distinct look when shooting certain scenes and certain color palettes. That's all a good thing. I think it's exciting to have a brand new film in 2023 and beyond that has a very unique look, its own color look. And you can be the judge for yourself by shooting a roll. 36 exposure roll. We're going to see if it's DX coated. That up. Oh! DX coated, which is terrific. So you could use this in any 35mm camera, including point and shoot cameras.
Look at that.
Look at that. Olive.
Look at that.
Head over to the filmphotographystore.com, pick yourself up a roll of color Phoenix 200 film, and we'll see you next time.